Cape Cod diesel performance.
All right, kids. Time for the cap to come off. This is the entertaining part where you guys get to watch us severely hurt ourselves. So behind us, you see there's a cab in the air. All right, kids, so it's day 2. We got Duncan.
Got a good radio.
Ty's got a speaker. And our Evapo Rust did pretty well. But we got to do the towel method that we talked about last night because it doesn't stick well. So Ty's gonna do that, and I'm gonna pull the front end off. Divide and conquer.
We got rust.
What are your new fenders? Steel?
Yeah. Everything's steel. Yeah. Carbon fiber.
You didn't fiberglass?
He didn't buy go fiberglass that way. Down.
Solenoid's catching.
Yeah. How do I'm on the tire though.
So rotate upward a little.
I mean, you can bend it.
That's, yeah.
Look at that solenoid.
Man.
Now this is an open wheel car now.
Yeah. You're gonna follow the what is it? That F250 or whatever that.
Y250.
Y250.
Oh yeah.
You have Y250.
Oh, the vertices,
Yeah.
Y250 vertices. You got Formula One aero coming in.
Yeah.
Right here, it's gonna loop
right
back
into the
out,
turbo.
right into the turbo. Yeah. Mint. Looking good. Now we just gotta get this side. It's already loose. Just gotta unbolt some of this, I believe.
Yeah,
Undo the box, fold everything in. There's a couple harnesses down here. The frame's soaking up pretty well. Starting to eat away at the rust. Just coming along. Cape Cod diesel performance.
All right, we're at a break point now. Did you show them all this shit off? I don't think so.
I showed them the only thing we did is when you guys were pulling the fenders.
Oh, so
Fenders, the hood.
fenders, hood, bumper, intercooler, all that's out.
Intercooler piping.
Piping's out, fuse box is out. Ty's working on the steering box
No, just steering shaft.
shaft. I have been doing interior stuff. We pulled the whole seat out. So we need to salvage those seat bases because we're gonna mount the 3rd gen seats on there. And
Clean the interior out.
we're getting closer to pulling this thing off.
I mean, really, once we get the steering off, and there's a couple more plugs down below we got to do, trans plug, and a couple more things on the motor, and that's it. We're ready to unbolt it and pull it off.
So are we just gonna put the lift up and then
The thing is, what we're going to do is, that's why we pulled the seats out, is we take the engine hoist, so we'll roll the truck back a little bit, or roll the cab forward, take the engine hoist, you stick the boom right in the dead center, and you run cross chains.
Okay.
Kind of unbolt it, and you lift it up slightly, and then you basically can just take the engine hoist and chain it from the inside.
push the truck
And then
back
we'll,
and then
yeah, if we roll the truck back, then we can roll the truck forward and then maybe push the cab back.
okay.
Or figure out a
Well,
way to get it out of the way. We might even have to pick up the lift and move the lift over.
We're getting there. Time for a drink. Yes.
Drink, snack, whatever.
Let's go. All right, kids. Time for the cap to come off. So, yeah, it's gonna happen. We're got the body mounts off. Got some chains hooked up, and we're gonna pick her up with that engine hoist. What could go wrong? This is the entertaining part where you guys get to watch us severely hurt ourselves. Are we too far rear?
Huh?
Are we too far rear?
We might have to come forward. Well, you also have the gas and everything. No matter what, it's going to try to kick forward. Check underneath.
But are we coming up on the front though?
We can try. Ready? Grab your ears. We're pretty much right. We're fucking super close.
Okay.
Like it takes like any effort, barely an effort. We rock it way up.
Yeah.
Let's take this, arms to the side. If possible, so just try to roll the truck forward. I don't know if you try to muscle it.
Yeah, I'll muscle.
Push by the rear tires.
Yeah, I'll push it. I'll push on the rear frame. Get that out of the way.
Go slow. I'll kind of help with this front. Ready? Come on. We're moving with. We're gonna go up more. We're moving the cab as well. Let's get it close. Okay. Roll it in. Watching the mounts. We're good, we're good, we're good. Okay. So, what we'll do, I'm going to let my side down in here. Okay?
Okay.
I'm going to let my side down a hair. And then I'm basically going to take over for the jack pushing up. Let's see if we can get your pull up. I mean, it might just tip far enough forward where we'll kind of just rest, and then I can just stand on the frame, stand here, and I'll just hold up on the cowl right here, and then you can slide it back. We'll watch this AC line, and then see if we can get it back right over there.
Okay.
And we'll be good. Go over the jack. Okay. I got it.
There's a turbo. And there's a truck bed, cab thing. That's just hanging out. Is that what we self-clearanced?
Yeah, I was kind of riding along the frame, the cheese grater. But here we go.
Wow. This something else.
Now we gotta get on the ground.
I now feel like we accomplished something.
Well, we gotta get on the ground.
Can we just push this forward so we have more room for this? All right, cool.
Let's push the frame forward.
Okay.
Move over to it. Hopefully that stays. It should. It's got 3 points of contact.
Yep.
Rolling chassis, it's getting easier to push every time.
Yeah. Weight reduction. So behind us, you see there's a cab in the air. This is what's supporting it. So we got some wood.
This is what happens when your friends get you to pull the cab off.
Yeah, everybody bailed on us, so it was just Ty and I to fucking manhandle this thing. So we got 4 ladders and 2 pieces of wood. And you know, it works. It's...
all of our extremities.
Yeah, I was kind of worried, so I was going to lose a finger.
Or an arm or a leg.
Yeah. So, we just got cabs on deck. This is where we're at. It's just all around shitty, but for now, we're done for the night. This is day 2. A lot of progress has happened. Bare frame, cab off, lots of things happened.
So basically, 2.5 guys working, just Ryan's off for a good bit.
Yeah.
We got this thing stripped down.
We should check these, see if we need to reapply.
I mean, they're still soaked.
Um,
We basically pull them off.
So that's what we got for tonight. So that's it for this video. We'll show you that rust discovery later. That's good. And
Actually took up.
that's about it. Comment on how stupid this situation was. Just let us know. So yeah, week-long Cummins rebuild is going kind of horribly wrong. Well,
You don't?
all right, peace.
What are you going forward?